Need to change your passcode on your iPhone? It's a smart idea to update it regularly to keep your device and personal data safe. In this guide, I'll walk you through the easy steps to change your passcode on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode if your device uses Touch ID. Enter your current passcode to access the settings. Scroll down and tap Change Passcode. Enter your current passcode again to confirm. Enter a new passcode. You can choose a 6-digit passcode, 4-digit passcode, or a custom alphanumeric passcode. Re-enter the new passcode to confirm. Additional notes: make sure to choose a passcode that is secure and easy for you to remember. Avoid using simple patterns or easily guessable numbers to enhance security. You can also choose a custom alphanumeric passcode for even better security. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the passcode on your iPhone. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.